Welcome to the another video of C++ programming course. In this video we will solve C++ exercises. So the first exercise is find the length of all characters in a string. So I have written the basic code and I will declare a string and I will write this. Hi, this is dear programmer, and I will use the length function. I will write total dot length. So length function will find the total characters and total length of the string. So let's run. So the total length of the string is 27 characters. So this is very easy. Just you have to write the length function. And let's do another. And then second is assignment. Assign one string to another and print. So I will write two strings, and second string will be empty. There I will remain this empty and assign the value of total to the another. So you have to use this the assignment operator, and I will print the another string. So you can see the another was empty and I assigned the total string to the another and print this another. So this was also easy. So do another. Write a program which takes first name and last name from the user and add two names into full name and print it. So I will use two strings, first name, string, last name, and a string full name. I will take the input from the first name and the last name. So I will use cout, enter first name, and I will take the input in the second string, I mean last name, enter the last name. And I will concatenate two strings, add them. I will use a full name equal to first name plus last name. So here the plus operator is used for concatenating two strings. So this will add two strings and assign the value to the full name, and I will use also space between them, and I will print the full name. So let's run this. You have to full name, N is the capital. I will write dear and programmer. So the full name is printing dear programmer, which was assigned in the full name. So this done, and let's do another. Write a program that reads a website URL from the user and retrieve the name of the site and output it. And if the user inputs www.youtube.com, your program should output YouTube only. So you have to extract name from the URL. So I will create a string URL. So I am taking input in the URL string, and I will use the URL.erase and erase the www dot. So from 0 to 4, I will remove the 4 characters in the URL, that is www dot. So I will use 0 to 4. So this will remove the www dot from the URL, and URL dot erase, and I will use URL dot size -4 and 4. So this will find the length of the URL and minus the 4. Then it will minus the 4 strings. So this will doing the erasing the last 4 characters of a string, and that will be .com, which is .com. Name of website is. So let's run this. So if I write www dot dear programmer, sorry, I am not written the .com. So let's run another time. www dot dear programmer.com. So it is erasing the www dot and .com and writing the only name of the website. So that's all for today. We will learn more in next videos.